Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a leftover pan of colors with some folk art color shifting red, which is dominant. I started with some white Anitas, which I'm going to do again right all over. Here's a little golden magenta with iridescent pearl fine in it. I'm going to try and lump my colors. I'm going to try not to spread them too evenly because I want them to be dramatic. I'm going to throw a little dioxazine purple in there. Oh, that was the black. Ha! I thought it was dioxazine purple. Never mind, it'll still be cool. Here is my folk art. It's not fluorescent, it's neon. Neon pink. Here is some Sargent's yellow with some unicorn spit to color it a darker egg yolk orange. There is a little bit of Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I didn't use any hot orchid in my last painting, so I should be allowed this time. I'm going to do something a little strange. I've been watching somebody do something that I used to do a long time ago, and she's on my Instagram, and it's Bonnie's Flow Art. You might want to check her out. She makes some really cool things. She uses a lot of paint on her base, and I want to do a variation on that theme, but I'm not going to do anything exactly like that. This is my folk art color shifting purple. I really like that. Was the amethyst from Artist Loft. Now I may add more colors. You know what? I've got a turquoise metallic. I'm not sure where it came from. I just made it up a month or so ago and it's almost used up. If I need something else, oh, you know what? I definitely want some orange. So if I need more paint, I guess I'll use it. But for the moment, the plan is to use that black that I just thought was dioxazine purple. I have a drip on my dustpan. Come out, drip. I'm hoping that I can get that to sit right up there. I'm not sure what this black is, but it used to be Artist Loft mixed with Walmart semi-gloss. I'll leave that there. You know what? I need more. I need as much as I can have because I'm not going to do the whole background, but what I am going to do is grab one of my shovels. Gosh, I love those colors. I absolutely love that. That's a painting in itself for me. But I'm looking at it and I'm deciding that I want even more of that yellow. Looks like I might have colors left over. I just saw Bonnie do this recently. Hi Bonnie, if you're watching. If you're not, I'll let you know I'm using your method. So the nice thing about the colors dropped onto the black is that they will stretch out once I stretch out the dustpan of colors. And that way I'll be getting some negative space in between, I hope. This is the first time I've tried this for years. And mine was never exactly like this, and this is not exactly like hers. So I have pre-primed this 18 by 24 canvas. And I want to make sure some of my bottles are not in my way, because it's a rather large canvas. Now, those are just gorgeous. Ha! Those are totally gorgeous. And the handle on my dustpan is broken, I just noticed. So let's just my inclination is to leave that black and to add some white. And just have a go and see what happens when I tip. Not getting a lot happening at one end and a lot happening at the other end. You know what I don't see in there? Any of the color that I really wanted, which is right there. Who knows what I'm going to do with this? I have some purple too that I didn't use. It's a pretty much violet. And what am I being called to? Because I'm in a space where I'm not sure I'm going to survive this as eloquently as I can. Not sure about those two together at all. So I think the trick might be to use a larger dustpan. And I'm going to try and find my dioxazine purple because I still want it. It makes a wonderful, dramatic, dark note. And it makes me think I should grab an edge catcher. Put a few bottles out of my way right after I use some of that folk art color shifting red. A little more room and an edge catcher coming right up. Edge catcher that's totally frozen right to my rack. So if you've got, oh, I've got some really nice cells. I've got some great colors, so if I really think that I have to, I'm going to probably wind up doing something extraordinary that could be considered a lot like using the cell activator. I'll let that go there. This might be neat. I just don't give up. See how far we can spread it. I want that thing, whatever you are thing, come out. I kind of want something else up here, which for me means I'm going to let some paint flow off. That's good, with the exception of the mess I'm going to make. Whoops, double whoops. So I'm thinking, while I'm here, and I have the opportunity, I might as well put some Hot Orchid from Color Art on that white. And I've got paint that I can use to flow more paint now that I've dumped it out of my dish, and I might want to do that right now just by, first of all, using the leftover paint in the dustpan, and then the residuals. I like black and white. Am I going to have room? You know what? I've still got paint left. And I have no rules that say that I can't do whatever I want. I realize it's the end of my day and there's not actually any point to saving anything. Oh, I've got some beautiful, beautiful gold. Come on out. Come out and play with me. I was going to tip that down toward the edge, and I'm not sure I want to anymore. But I got to do something with this little dribble here. Although I definitely do like dribbling. So let's take back my dish again. See what I want to do. And it's not impossible that I might still do something. Heck with the dish. Let's just use the edge catcher. I usually do this with my left hand. This is quite the sweep. I'm afraid I've got paint on my thumb and I'm going to leave it in the painting on the dry parts. So I'm going to look for anything that I can find. I'm not hating any of that. Kind of want to do a little bit more though. I like how the white looks a lot. And if I just go right next to that little thread, it will adhere. It will be attracted by. Yeah, that's pretty sharp. That's dynamic. Do I want to do anything else? I gotta be careful with that because there's no point on this skewer. So my last choice is over here. I don't think that I'm going to wind up putting any cell activator in there because I'm liking this just the way it is. It's nothing like what I was anticipating, but I really, really don't care because it's exciting. I think I'm going to have a little more white right there though. I want to integrate this white. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. I'm going to torch and call it good and ask for thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would really appreciate that. If I want to add any dots, I better think about it right now. Still got some pretty colors in my little leftovers dish. Fingers are not the best tools all the time, but Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas are. And I don't see any point in wasting anything. If I don't have to, I'm not going to. Using my little negative space. I know I'm being brazen. Getting downright frisky. That's pretty dynamic. I'm pretty happy with all of that. And I have a little more paint right on my edge catcher. Not sure I need it. I always like using all my paint if I can. Whatever else is left is going on the Lolly-Free silicone mat. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Give me a thumbs up. Check out my playlists on my YouTube channel. Go to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. You'll find them organized by topic and genre and the 100. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. I have them all organized. All the links are saved. And I can give you whatever you need. And if you have questions, please ask. If you're looking for more answers on a permanent basis, look for my 2 books on the Amazon link, which is on the link tree, which is the first blue link underneath the video. Had to do it. I'm not sure if you guys are here or not because it looks like I did not set my timer. So just know I love you. Check out my community board for tomorrow's video. I got some really pretty cells in one spot. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. It's so funny. I watch other artists do this and I'm like, I wonder what compelled that person to do that. And then I realized that it happens to all of us. We have just like something that we need to fix. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm not even sure you're here anymore. I'm going to check. I'm going to zoom in. You are still here. Cool. Let's see if I can zoom in. I like those little ribbons that overlap. The colors are wild. They remind me of comic book colors. And those cells are right there. And it looks much better overall than it does in pieces, I think. But I bet it dries awesomely well. I bet there's some creatures in there too now that I'm looking at it from a distance. Okay, so what did I not tell you guys? Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting, and look for the monthly drawing. The prizes are included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's shown on the end screen of every video in the last 20 seconds, and you are automatically entered in that drawing should you happen to be someone who donates through PayPal, and the PayPal icons are on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and also the links are on my link tree, and I will send you an opportunity, well no, I will send you I will send you an entry. You'll be automatically entered. You don't have to do anything. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks from YouTube, and I'm catching up. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, Pixels.com, Fine Art America are also, those links are on the link tree. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are on the link tree. My Gallerist clothing is the top link on the link tree, and it's exclusive investment quality clothing from Montreal. Beautiful all over print dresses and kimono tops and more.